Hi, I'm Hannah from Love Learning Tutors, and I am here to help you with your chemistry and get you off to a great start. If you get stuck, please check out our videos, see if there's something to refer to, and if it's not there, just let us know and comment and say, hey guys, we really want to know this, and we will be happy to oblige. So to start off with, I'm going through the GCSE Edexcel, or IGCSE Edexcel spec. So the reason why I use the spec is, in theory, if you can do everything on the spec from top to bottom, then you know everything to pass your exams with flying colours and get those 9s. Let's get those 9s. So to begin with, from the very tippity top, we're going to start with states of matter. So by states of matter, we're talking about solids, liquids and gases. So you might have seen these before. They're really nice, easy marks. If you get the question, they'll be like, oh, can you draw a liquid for us? And this is what they want. So your solids here, your liquids here, and your gases. So let me quickly explain. So solids, as you can see, they are very close, the particles, and they're in a regular pattern. So they're close and they're regular pattern. Okay. In terms of movement, they can't move, they're fixed, they're absolutely stuck there. But the only thing they can kind of do is kind of wiggle a little bit, like vibrate, so they can only vibrate in the position that they're in. Okay. Liquids, so liquids, they're a little bit further apart, but still relatively close together. They're random, so there is no pattern to how they move. They are just how they're positioned and they're moving, right? So we say that liquids and gases, they flow, which means that they can move, unlike the solids. So it can flow. And we say relatively slowly. Yeah. Okay. Lastly, we've got gases, so they're the furthest apart. Only 3 of them made this little box apart. Their movement is also random. And they flow more quickly. So as you can imagine, you've probably seen, like with, you know, the water example where you start with ice. So to go from here to here, we have to increase the temperature. So by increasing the temperature, we're giving the particles more and more energy. So solids have the least amount of energy. If we give, you know, ice more energy, we heat it up, then it'll become a liquid. If we give water more energy, then it will become water vapor into a gas. So with each step, they particles gain energy to turn into the next state. So the last thing I want to just quickly say is you might expect to see state symbols in your equations and such. So just get used to thinking, okay, in their state, as I've seen them in the lab or in my experiments, what do they look like? So for example, you'd see Fe, iron you see as a solid. So just start getting used to using these quite early. Liquid, so water for example, put a little L there, and gas, so maybe something like oxygen. Remember, your gases usually travel around in pairs, so make sure you add this little 2. Lots of people make little boo-boos with that. And gas. Yeah, so that's your states of matter. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, holla, comment, let us know, and we would love to help. Thank you for watching.